To keep you updated on the capital and financial markets, here is a recap of what happened.
The group spearheading the UK's shift to a faster trading regime is preparing for the possibility that the country makes the switch in advance of the European Union, a move that could create a litany of headaches for financial professionals across the region. The UK will follow the US to the one-day settlement cycle known as T+1 in the final quarter of 2027, according to Andrew Douglas, the chair of the government-appointed team advising on the transition. Malaysia's low-wage structure is a significant factor behind the employees' provident funds' inadequate savings. EPF chairman Tan Sri Mohammed Zuki Ali said irregular contributions, particularly among those in informal or gig economy roles, have exacerbated the situation. The growing shift towards informal work has led to fewer individuals accessing formal retirement savings schemes such as the EPF. Compounding this is the relatively low level of financial literacy, which limits people's understanding of the importance of saving and retirement planning, he said in his welcoming remarks for Financial Literacy Month 2024. Escalating tensions in the Middle East triggered a broad sell-off in the Malaysian stock market, with the benchmark index falling to a 3-week low. Fund managers whom The Edge spoke to said market sentiment may turn cautious in the near term, though the selling pressure could just be a knee-jerk reaction to the latest developments in the Middle East. Arica Capital CEO Danny Wong sees the sell-off providing a good opportunity for bargain hunters following the benchmark index's strong performance so far this year. Reiterating that market fundamentals remain intact, he said investors should continue to stay invested. India's securities regulator has launched a new framework for passively managed funds, such as exchange-traded funds and index funds. According to the Securities and Exchange Board of India, the Mutual Funds Light framework is designed to facilitate easier entry for passively managed funds into the mutual fund market. Under the framework, the net worth, track record, and profitability requirements for sponsors would be lowered, enabling more entities to enter the mutual fund market, SEBI says in a statement on the 2nd of October. Indonesian sovereign bond bulls are betting that a rally will extend on looming interest rate cuts as the country undergoes a change in government this month. Global funds are returning to Indonesia, a bellwether for emerging markets, ahead of Prabowo Subianto taking over as president on the 20th of October. In all, investors snapped up $4.1 billion of Indonesian rupiah bonds last quarter, the biggest net inflow since March 2019, after a long-awaited pivot to rate cuts by Bank Indonesia and the Federal Reserve. The rally may only be at the beginning, with Indonesia's central bank expected to keep cutting rates this year and the government undergoing a transition that could lead to buying opportunities for investors. Read the latest issue of the e-Zine available at FIMM's official website to stay updated about what's going on in the industry.
This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.